What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I've got Bentley.
Hello.
We're going to be unboxing the Lowrance Hook 4 or Hook 2 Bullet Easy Sonar fish finder. It's got a bullet transducer included. It's a Solar Max display 4-inch broadband sounder, advanced signal processing, IPX7 waterproof with a 1-year warranty. So my wife got this for me at Walmart for our anniversary, which was last week on the 27th. I think she paid $90 for it.
It's 90 to 99.
It was our 10-year anniversary, so we're going to be unboxing it and mounting it on my new kayak. Got a Lifetime Tamarack. My old one is still under here. I kind of outgrew it. So we're going to be trying to figure out a way to mount it to the kayak. That way we can use the transducer as well. A lot of people recommended mounting it inside of the hole, but they said that a lot of the comments said that it doesn't give accurate readings if it's not in the water. So we're going to be figuring all that out. I've never used a fish finder, especially on a kayak, but I did open it to look at everything, make sure it was there. We've got the mount. And the fish finder itself looks like this. On the back it's got for the plug and where it hooks to the mount. And it comes with the wiring. Side that plugs to the back of the fish finder and then to our battery. You've got the actual bullet transducer, paperwork, and instructions. Got a fuse, and then the actual hardware to mount the transducer. So we're going to keep all this separate so that way we don't lose it.
Okay.
Alright. So what I plan on doing is mounting the fish finder to the kayak using 1-inch PVC pipe. It's SDR21, it's thin wall. So I don't exactly know how this is going to work. It's going to be trial and error. Probably going to mess up a lot, but it'll be worth a shot. It'll be fun doing a father-son project. So we're going to get everything set up and I'll be right back. All right, so we stopped at Lowe's last night and we got a 1-inch T, non-directional. We got a 1-inch 90, some 1-inch tube strap, and some lock washers, nuts and bolts. And we also have a 10-foot piece of 1-inch PVC. Bentley's helped me decide so far. We're gonna end up mounting the fish finder here. So that way it's out of the way. I'm gonna have the battery down inside this compartment. That way it's still accessible. It's not in the way. When I'm done, I could just take the base off leave the base mounted and put the fish finder back in the car when I load the kayak up. And we're probably gonna have the wiring come off the side and have the transducer on the PVC go straight down into the water here. So like I said, this is gonna be a lot of trial and error and a lot of making mistakes, but we're gonna see what we can come up with. Right now we're gonna cut the PVC, do some measuring, mount the fish finder and all that. We'll see how it goes. So first what we're gonna do is get my saw. Yes, and I'm actually not sure what drawer it's in. It's somewhere in maybe this one. I will clean this out. There it is. That's pipe saw. Okie dokie.
That sounds like a movie pipe saw.
two prongs are straight down. Okay.
Hey, Dad. You want to know something?
Let's move all this.
You want to know something?
And that is the install. I have the battery upstairs. It's charging. I have to get the connectors for the battery to go on from the cable to the battery. I'm gonna put some zip ties to hold the wires down. But here's my fish finder. Plug is in the back. Battery is gonna go right here. I'm gonna find a way to secure it so it doesn't slide back and forth as I go through the water. And then the transducer is mounted down here. When I'm out of the water, it'll be raised up in the air like this. When I go down in the water, it's going to be lowered like that. The wires are going to run through the back compartment here. I did have to file out a small piece here for the wire to go through without getting pinched. It'll be against a rubber seal, so hopefully that doesn't damage the wire in any way. It doesn't appear like it is, but I might put some tape around it right there just as an added layer of protection. And the wires run through here under my seat, up through here, and through the porthole in the front, which was already there. I didn't have to drill. It had this little cap in it. So we'll get the battery hooked up, and my next video will be testing it out on the water. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It'd mean the world to me. Give Bentley a shout out and Jalen for being in the video, giving a hand. I appreciate you guys' help. Thank you very much. We'll put all that back on later. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.